Click and drag. You encounter this all the time, and you probably don't even notice. Kanban boards, reordering presentation slides, using an online map. A dragging movement is when you tap or click on a starting point, hold it down, move it to a specific position, and let go. It requires a surprising amount of fine motor skills. This just isn't possible for everyone. You need to be able to achieve the same outcome without dragging. And that's what dragging movement, one of the new guidelines in WCAG 2.2, is all about. So what's the solution? Your drag and drop should also work with point and click. This means users can select the element with a click or a tap and place it where they want with another click or tap. That's it. You know, I bet now that you know what dragging movements are, you're going to see them everywhere. When you see one, look for those alternative methods. Everyone deserves access to the internet. If you need help getting your website up to scratch, visit soaktide.com.